That popping in that flame. Yes, everybody likes my moto dog. God, bro. Oh, Jesus. Fuck you. Swerving like that. Piece of shit. flipped you off?
What's up with the, what's up with...
Hold on, ma'am. Yeah, I'm at Bangor Motorsports. If you could tell that officer to come here, the piece of shit that just tried to run me off the road is right here. I got you on camera, you stupid bitch. Go fuck yourself.
Bro!
You just swerved at me as I was passing you. I got you on camera, you stupid piece of shit. Go fuck yourself, you ignorant old bitch.
You will see that video.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here at Bangor Motorsports. This guy's trying to, yeah.
Okay.
Sit him right down. Police are on their way, you dumb fuck. I got you on camera.
I'm right here.
I got you on camera.
Good. Very proud of you.
Go fuck yourself.
Buy a real fucking motorcycle.
I have more motorcycles than you can afford, you piece of shit. Step out then. Step out then. Step out, bitch. What?
Step out.
Because you're a bitch. Go the fuck on before the police get here.
Wait for the cops to show up. They'll be here.
Can one of y'all call 911, please? Yeah, this guy just tried to run me off the road and he's chasing me down the road following me. What a fucking idiot, man. Yeah, I got it on film. He wants to swerve across the line like he was going under the speed limit. I go to pass him legally and he tries to swerve me off the road.
I don't think you need to follow there. Looks like he's on the
I came to where I knew I'd have more people on my side.
Good. Got a motorcyclist that just came in, claiming that this gentleman in a pickup truck has tried to run him off the road. That guy is out in the driveway now as we speak. Would you like to have an officer come down and talk to him?
It doesn't matter, man.
Yes,
I flipped him off when I left. He doesn't need to follow me after that. He's following me for 15 miles.
Yes, it was, yep. Van Road.
Huh?
VANAIR.
All the way up, like between Union Street and that road that cuts across to get over to Route 2. If you didn't do anything wrong, man, why'd you follow me? Exactly. If you didn't do anything wrong, why are you following me? After I flipped you, all I did was flip him off and I went about my business. It's not like I turned around and was harassing him on the road. I got it all on camera. I've got a camera on my face.